For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost a meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully.